like to travel, man. And what I've realized about traveling in India is that whenever you can't tell if you're traveling in India until at least 3 times in a day, you have to tell someone while traveling, "Bhai sahab, yahan par line hai." At some stage, you have to say that, and you go through this every single time. Like you have to give, "Bhai sahab line hai, bhai sahab line hai," and what they always say is, "Mujhe dekhi nahi." Like, what do you think was happening here? You saw 16 men standing back to back. What went on in your mind? You're like, भाई देख क्या organized gay orgy चल रही है यहाँ पर. ये तो homosexuality का Excel sheet है, like just fucking stupid shit. So I didn't know how to deal with this, like people telling like, "Hey, मेरे को दिखा नहीं," like okay. So I was in Delhi, okay, and you know where this story is going already, okay. And I was standing in front of this Sardar gentleman. I love Sardars; they're amazing because we're having a fun conversation, really like very entertaining. And suddenly this one dude cuts the line and goes ahead. So I tell him, I'm like, "भाई साहब यहाँ पर line है." He's like, "मुझे दिखी नहीं." तो I'm like, "ठीक है, अभी दिख गई, अभी पीछे आ जाइए आप." And he's like, "हाँ," and he just goes. The gentleman behind me steps out, goes to the guy, slaps him on his face, and says, "तुझे line नहीं दिखी, मुझे तेरा चेहरा नहीं दिखा." I'm like, "Well done, well done." That's the response to have, man. The thing is that sometimes I understand why a lot of Indians are line cutters. Like I understand sometimes why it is because a lot of Indians, like for the longest time in India, we've not had resources, right? Like if you grew up in the 80s, dude, my parents had to line up for milk and shit. Like I mean, there was no like you don't have to like squeeze it. It was there. You have to line up, dude. And if you miss the line, you basically didn't get resources. And I'm like, abhi resources hai thodi bahut. Tension nahi hai. So I understand some people not understanding that okay, the queue exists and everyone will get what they want. Then I met a man who's my hero of line cutting. Okay. Now I was at the Mumbai airport, and I don't mean the good one, the tutty one, right? You know, there's that shitty Mumbai airport where if you're going for like your X-ray and shit, there's like you go through poles and stuff, and you're standing in a line. Like after a point, you're like, "How have I reached Dhaka? What is happening?" So I'm standing in one of these lines, okay, and there's a gentleman in front of me, and we're waiting in line very patiently, really long, like 15 minutes going on, waiting. Again, some dude cuts the line. I'm like, "Bhai sahab, यहाँ पर line है." He's like, "मुझे दिखी नहीं." I'm like, "We've been through this in the earlier joke. Just move on, okay." तो भाई साहब यहाँ पर लाइन है. लाइक पर मेरे पास आम है. He has a crate of आम. And he's like, मेरे पास आम है. I'm like, wait, what? You think that'll work? Just say like you're allowed to cut line. Like हापूस है मेरे पास. I'm like ठीक है, आम वगैरह ठीक है, आप पीछे आइए, हम सब रुके हुए हैं यहाँ पर. Like पर आम. And he starts shoving the arm into the X-ray machine, okay? This gentleman in front of me, okay, just gets out, pulls the arm out of the X-ray machine and tells me like, "भाई, मैं तुझे प्यार से बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ये जो आम है ना, तेरे पिछवाड़े के अंदर घुसा दूँगा." कतरीना ऐसे करती है, तू ऐसे करेगा? रसिया, Alexis. And I'm like, "Sir, I don't know who you are, but the nation salutes you. When Republic Day happens, I will take out a parade for you." And then, of course, I took his place in the line because you never cut the line in India, you bastard! भाई साहब यहाँ पर लाइन है लाइक शेयरिंग और सब्सक्राइबिंग की, तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब, नहीं तो मुंह पे चांटा.